Okay, right now in question B, they say that simplify the following expression into a single term. So that expression we're given is sine 21 degrees cos W plus cos 21 degrees sine W over sine W plus 21 degrees minus 10 squared beta multiplied by cos squared beta. Now, what I presume that we may need to use in that question, I presume that we may need to use the compound angle identity for sine. Compound angle identity, right? Now the compound angle identity for sine, if you combining angles, it says that sine of x plus y, it's going to be sine x multiplied by cos y plus cos x multiplied by sine y. Okay, now we're gonna do the question above. Now the question above, we're given sine 21 degrees cos w plus cos and sine w. Now if you look at that, if you look at the numerator of that fraction, can you actually see that if you were to take that numerator, so it's given, so that numerator is given as sine of it's sine 21 degrees multiplied by cos w plus cos 21 degrees multiplied by sine w. Can you see that that one is actually looking the same as that thing there? Now if you were to, so it's given this way, so if you had to take it back that way, it's basically going to be sine of 21 degrees plus w actually. So let's just do that right now. So that one, now I'm gonna say sine of 21 degrees plus w, and that is all over sine of w plus 21 degrees. Then I'm gonna say minus 10 squared beta multiplied by cos squared beta. Now can you see that actually can you see that sine 21 degrees plus w is the same as saying sine of w plus 21 degrees? It's the same thing. So I can actually cancel those two over there actually. And if I cancel them out, it's going to be 1 minus 10 squared beta multiplied by cos squared beta. Now they want us to write it into a single term. Now we are actually not there yet. We are actually close. But do you also remember that from your trigonometric, from your identities, that if you were to say tan theta is actually gonna be sine theta over cos theta. Now, so that means that if you were given tan squared theta, it's gonna be the same as saying sine squared theta over cos squared theta. So now I'm gonna say 1 minus sine squared beta all over cos squared beta, and that is multiplied by cos squared beta over 1. And that also, can you see that those two cancel out? So they also cancel out. So now we're going to be left out with 1 minus sine squared beta. Now another thing that I need you to look at for this other one, I think they call it the Pythagorean identity. Pythagorean identity. Right now, that Pythagorean identity, they say that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. Now if you wanted to find sine squared alone, or if you wanted to find cos squared, so if you wanted to find sine squared alone, sine squared theta is going to be 1 minus cos squared theta. That is the first one. And then for the second one, if you wanted to find cos squared alone, it's going to be cos squared theta equals to 1 minus sine squared theta. So this means that 1 minus sine squared theta, it should be cos squared theta. So this is going to be cos squared theta. And this basically should be our answer at the end. All right.